Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You're starting by prepping assets and matching project settings so your subtitles behave like After Effects. First, import your clip and audio, then duplicate the video track for timing reference. Once done, set resolution and aspect ratio to 1920x 1080 and enable rulers and snap so text placement is precise. Next, pick a font and weight that mimic AE style, choose size and color, and set baseline alignment. This makes later animation and motion blur look consistent with professional subtitles. You'll now generate and refine the subtitle content so timing matches speech exactly. Start with Capcut's auto subtitle to get a base, then manually correct timestamps and spelling as you go. Make deliberate line breaks, aim for no more than 42 characters per line, and add padding so text doesn't touch screen edges. Once synced, convert captions into individual text layers so you can animate each line separately. Doing this lets you imitate After Effects' motion, easing, and staggered character, or word animations with frame-level precision. Finish by animating and polishing so your subtitles look AE quality. Apply keyframes to position, opacity, and scale, and use easing for natural movement. Stagger starts for each word or line to create rhythm. Then add a subtle shadow, 1-2px stroke, and simulated motion blur for realism. Before export, preview the full clip at 100% speed, adjust any jitter by smoothing keyframes, and correct timing drift between audio and text. If all looks good, export as high bitrate MP4 or MOV to preserve.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.